G'day avocado lovers, Dale here. Today we're moving beyond basic smashed avocado and building the ultimate avocado on toast. We're using some special ingredients we made in previous videos to create something truly epic. Here are the components for our masterpiece. A beautiful ripe avocado, some of our Wattle seed and lemon Myrtle Labneh, our crunchy Aussie Kitchen Confetti, a couple of thick slices of your favourite bread. I'm using a grainy sourdough today, some good extra virgin olive oil, and some smoked sea salt flakes. First, the foundation, our toast. A great kitchen hack for an even coating of oil is to drizzle it on a plate and just rub your bread in it. Then get it onto a hot pan or on the grill. We want a really good colour and char on this. Toast both sides until golden and crispy. My ultimate crunchy topping, which I love to call kitchen confetti. It's the quick and easy way to add amazing flavour and texture to so many dishes. All you need for my version is some chopped macadamia nuts, pepitas, which are just pumpkin seeds without the shell, some coconut, flakes or shredded is fine, and some vibrant goji berries for a bit of chew and colour. For more detailed toasting techniques, you can check out my previous videos on toasting nuts and seeds. Once everything is toasted, and this is important, completely cool, you're ready to mix. Simply combine your toasted macadamias, pepitas, coconut, and goji berries in a bowl. Give it a good toss, and that's it. Your very own kitchen confetti, ready to go. Let's talk avocados. The perfect avo should be deep green and yield to gentle pressure, but not feel mushy. Here's the tip. Try to pop off the little stem bit at the top. If it comes off easily and you see a nice green underneath, you've got a winner. If it's brown, the avo is likely overripe inside. Now you can either peel and slice your avocado nicely, or you can smash it in a bowl for a more rustic texture. I cover peeling and slicing in more detail in my perfect preparing avocado video, if you need a refresher. Today I'm feeling both slices and smashed. Arrange your sliced or smashed avocado on top of the warm toast. And don't forget to season the avocado itself. A good sprinkle of smoked sea salt makes all the difference. Now for our secret weapons. First, a generous dollop of our Aussie Labneh. The tang and the native spice in this are going to cut through the richness of the avo beautifully. If you missed how to make it, the link is in the description. And for the ultimate crunch, a big sprinkle of our Aussie Kitchen Confetti. It's amazing on everything. Finish with a final drizzle of olive oil. Look at that. Creamy, crunchy, tangy, fresh. This is cafe quality. It's how you take simple ingredients and by combining them, create something truly delicious. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.